Hi everyone, I'm Naomi. Welcome to my Filipino cooking channel. On a recent trip to the Philippines, I filmed some of my favorite Filipino street food. My favorite street food is balut. Balut is a 14 to 21 day egg with embryo and egg in it, which is absolutely delicious. It can be either duck or chicken. Stay tuned guys, because I'm going to show you how to eat balut. Guys, you never see balut sold during the day. It's always at night time. And that's the trick of eating balut, not to see what you're eating.
First favorite street food is balut. And this is how you eat it. There's a little chick inside. Like that. Then you open like that. See? And then, as you can see, like the I like the broth in it. And you can see, very nice. You just lick it like that. And you can see there's a chicken in there. Lick it like chicken. Little chick, a baby chicken. And then you pour a bit of salt like that. And then vinegar. And then you sip it like that. Now the chick is gone inside my belly. Yum, 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 yum. Try it guys. Delicious and it's very healthy for you. Yum, yum. Let's eat. You only eat the yellow one and the chicken. And the little chick. Not the hard one. Okay. Try it when you come in the Philippines. Okay? Yum, yum.
For those who are still with me, who are not being sick after watching me eating the balut, stay tuned for more Filipino street foods. I hope you enjoy watching me eating the balut, and if you like it, then like it. And if you love it, please subscribe. More recipe to follow from my Filipino cooking channel. Thanks for watching. See you soon!
Hi guys, I'm Mark, and I'd just like to start by saying I love all of Naomi's Filipino recipes. They're all delicious, every single one of them. And some of you that may know me know that I'm into my survival stuff, and in a survival situation I wouldn't have a problem eating a snake, a hedgehog, tarantula, lizards or worms. But balut, I think I'd rather be starving. There's no way I'm going to eat that. That can stay in the Philippines. Maybe a delicacy in the Philippines, but it's not even on my survival table.